Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi. If this is your first time seeing this gorgeous girl, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Right, so today's video, as the title already says, how to have a successful, healthy, relaxed African hair. So number one, I'm African, I'm Nigerian, and my hair is currently relaxed. So every month I somehow manage, I get new growth, and that's the sign to tell me that my hair is growing. I'm going to list some of the tools that have made my relaxed hair, easy and manageable. And in case you're wondering, this is all my hair, by the way. Yeah. If you like to see a tutorial, it'll be up on my Instagram. I'll leave a link in my description box to follow me on there. Okay. So without talking too much, I'm just going to dive right in. One of the very first things that has helped me or helped my relaxed hair is a satin bonnet or a satin scarf. Listen, if you're a black girl, you definitely own one of these scarf in at home. We use them to sleep. We use them to tie our hair at night. Sometimes during the day. Yeah, so if you don't own one of these, I'm sure you own one of those big satin bonnets. One of the good thing about this stuff is that it doesn't dry out your hair. It doesn't dry out moisture from your hair. It just sits on top of your hair and protects the moisture and everything you've added to your hair, and your hair remains like that even when you wake up in the morning. So the next on my list would be a wide tooth comb. You guys know, I feel like for both relaxed girls and natural girls, we all use one of these to detangle our hair, separate our hair. We use them on wash days and every other day to try to maintain our hair. So these are super super amazing. I have them in this one. I have in smaller one, and I also have a big padded brush like this stuff, just they all have their purposes, and if you know how to use them well, they will not hurt your hair or cause damage to your hair. And look out for the teeth. Some of us have owned combs like this and they've been with you for a very long time. Check out for the teeth. If the teeth are beginning to look um, dead, or they are beginning to tear up by the side, just know if you continue using combs like that, it'll damage your hair. So yeah, you get my point, right? Same thing applies to these type of combs. This is a rat tail comb. I particularly love this one because of the ends it has, because my hair is always in center part, and I'm almost always trying to check if my hair is like, if the center part is it's perfect, if it's straight. So edge brushes are also really really cool. Yeah, to do all your edges with this. And I also love that this edge brush has a rat tail end, so I can also double this for parting my hair, and also use this side for my edges. This stuff are just great. This, of course, I can call this a bristle brush or a shoemaker brush. If you have one of these in your house, we often use this to smoothing the hair. Just do that. I love what it does. It's pretty amazing. And if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, now will be your time, the time to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. And if you love to support my channel, then you see a dollar sign just under this video. Can you click on it? You can send us a thanks of as low as 900 naira, 2005, whatever. Please, we need all the support we can get. Okay. So next on my list will be bobby pins, you guys. This stuff are so good. They've been around for as long as I can remember. Growing up, my mom used to own a salon, so I was already, pretty much playing with these things as early as maybe what I started as I was 5, 6, 7, 8, years old. Right? I love using this for my hair, especially when I have like a bun up and I don't want the bun to unravel. I just go in and use this to hold it down. These are pretty inexpensive. Love them. The con to this thing is that when they are new, they are pretty easy to use, but when they become old, they can begin to burn left, right, and center. And because this thing is kind of like metal, if you're not careful, if the bulb by the end comes off, you would see the metal itself. And if you continue to use it on your hair, it can cause some sort of breakage. So ensure that you're looking out for these things. And sometimes they can become rusty and old. So look out for them. If they are rusty and old, throw them away and get new ones. Okay. But other than that, this stuff is great. Another item that has made my relaxed hair super super easy for me to manage would be claw clips, you guys. I have been sleeping on this baby for such a long time now. I don't know why, but ever since I got it, I have not regretted the decision. Claw clips and these metal clips as well. They are just so useful or helpful to my hair, especially when I'm working my hair and I need to work in sections. I can use my curl clips to, just put things in in place so that I can focus on the section of my hair that I want to work on. It's super, super helpful, super amazing. Another item that has helped my relaxed hair on journey will be a spray water bottle. Love this so much. This is like the big jar. I think there's a smaller one of these. You guys, before I got this one, I used to use a certain spray bottle before, and I decided to get this one. This one stores more water, and I can use it to do anything that I want. There's water here. I can mix conditioner in here and spray it all over my hair, conditioner with water and whatever I want to mix. It's just amazing. I love the nozzle. It's like, it's so amazing. This has just helped every time or anytime I want to, spray water on my hair or just do something to my hair and I need my spray bottle. I just bring it out and do that, pa 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 pa, and I can get all the moisture or hydration that I need from the water or from whatever I've mixed in there. It's just great. Okay. Another item that I think has helped my relaxed hair or my hair, my healthy hair journey would be shower caps. Okay. Shower caps help protect your hair when you're in the shower here. So yeah, I think that's about it. That's about everything that has been helping my relaxed hair. You guys, let me know in the comment section what other item you've been using for your relaxed hair that has helped you and made your, relaxed hair journey easier. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and come back for part 2. Stay tuned for that video. Okay, so I'll see you in my next one. All right, bye. Mwah.